Hello my dear friends of electronics. In this video we want to show a multicolor LED evaluation board which Ralph with his team. Hello Ralph.
Hello.
We talk about another video about the LED driver, like a simple one module. And now you did make with your team a multicolor LED driver with 4 channels. What is on this board, all these different components?
Yeah. Let's have a look at this board. So on this board we have the complete power stage and the dimming software realized. So here we have 4 channels of power LED driver with all the filtering on board. We see it here in this block. This is the LED power stage. Here we supply the board with the input voltage up to 48 volts. And here we have an interim power converter. This is a power module which generates 15 volts. This is only necessary when you have less than 6 LEDs. And then with an LDO we generate, here's the LDO, we generate a voltage for the microcontroller. Here the microcontroller is placed and he generates the PWM signal for the power stage. We also have a Bluetooth module on the board which sits here, so we can control the dimming also by software.
So later we will have an app for that.
Correct. And then we have a user panel in case we do not want the software to be used, which is here, to adjust the color intensity.
So let's do that in action.
Okay.
So I will put the probe to the channel 1. We put here a current probe to the LED on the channel 1, and you will open now the first channel.
Okay.
And let me see what will happen.
I will start the dimming of channel 1 and increase the duty cycle of the PWM signal. And you see with higher duty cycle we get more color intensity of this channel. We can even go up to 100% or on the other direction down to 0. The LED is off.
Nice. But what I can see here, if we are looking on this scope picture, you have a very sharp edge on switch on and switch off.
Correct.
This means in terms of EMI, a little situation. And I'm very happy that we could solve this problem using an EMC filter in this case. And we did decouple all the 4 channels to each other. And also on the output we did make a good filtering that we are reaching the European CE norm and
Correct.
we are CE conform. So I'm very happy about that. And Ralph, many thanks for your time and for your video, and hope you enjoy it and watch my next videos. Bye bye.
You're welcome. Thank you. Goodbye.